Good day, everyone. We are presenting our study entitled Supply Chain Efficiency and Customer Service Impact in Altitude Coffee Space, presented by Pagaduan Rachel Micah S. and Castuera Julie Ann B. This study was conducted to understand how supply chain operations influence customer service in a local cafe in Las Piñas City.
So this is the overview, the abstract, the introduction, the statement of the problem, significance of the study, the scope and the limitation, the review of related literature, the methodology, the research instrument, the result and discussion, the summary, the conclusion and recommendation.
Abstract. This study investigates how supply chain efficiency affects customer service using a descriptive correlational design. We focus on inventory management, supplier reliability, order fulfillment, and delivery systems. Survey data from employees and customers revealed a significant positive relationship between supply chain efficiency and customer service performance. Data were collected from 10 employees and 20 customers through surveys.
So this is the introduction. The Philippine coffee industry has expanded rapidly, leading to increased competition among cafes. To maintain customer satisfaction, cafe must ensure efficient supply chain operations. Altitude Coffee Space served as a case study to examine how supply chain efficiency influences service quality. Efficient sourcing, inventory handling, and order fulfillment are essential in meeting customer expectations in a small cafe setting.
Statement of the problem. The main problem of this study is to determine whether supply chain efficiency has a significant relationship between customer service at Altitude Coffee Space. Specifically, we examined inventory management, supplier reliability and coordination, order fulfillment, and delivery and storage system. First problem. What is the relationship between supply chain efficiency and customer service? Sub-variables: inventory management, supplier reliability, order fulfillment, and delivery storage.
So the next topic is the significance of the study. The number one is the cafe owners and managers, the insights for optimizing operations and service delivery. The number two is the employees, understanding the importance of efficiency and service quality. Number three is customers. They enhance service speed and product availability. The number four is the future researchers, reference for supply chain studies in food business.
Scope and delimitation. The study is limited to Altitude Coffee Space located in Las Piñas City. The respondents include cafe employees and customers only. The study does not include financial analysis, human resource issue, or external market factors.
So here is the review of related literature. Effective supply chain management enhances customer satisfaction in the food and beverage sector by ensuring product availability. Key elements involve inventory control, supplier coordination, and logistic efficiency. Inventory control minimizes waste by preventing overordering and spoilage, crucial for perishable items. The next one is the accurate inventory tracking aids in menu planning, demand forecasting, and monitoring expiration days for safety. Real time inventory visibility improves supplier management and operational efficiency, preventing stockouts and delays. Next is the supplier coordination and vital for timely deliveries and maintaining quality, reducing supply disruptions. Next is The efficient logistics ensure prompt product movement through the supply chain, preserving quality and meeting expectations. The last one is the overall effective management of inventory, suppliers, and logistics leads to increased customer satisfaction by providing fresh products and reliable service.
Methodology. Research design. We use a descriptive correlational research design. The descriptive part assesses the current supply chain and customer service performance, while the correlational part examines the relationship between supply chain efficiency and customer service. Research locale and respondents. The research conducted at Altitude Coffee Space, a local independent cafe in Las Piñas City. This location was expressly chosen as a single case study to allow for a true review of the interaction between supply chain operation and customer service. The respondents consisted of 10 cafe employees and 20 customers selected through convenience sampling.
So our next is the methodology. Research instrument. A structured survey questionnaire was used, consisting of Likert scale items measuring supply chain efficiency and customer service levels. The data gathering procedure. Number one is the permission from the cafe management was obtained. Number two is the surveys were distributed to customer and employees. Number three is data were collected, tailed, and analyzed using statistical tools. The statistical treatment, mean and weighted mean, to measure levels of efficiency and customer service. The person correlation, to determine the relationship between supply chain efficiency and customer service.
Results and discussion. Supply chain efficiency. Results show that Altitude Coffee Space generally practices good inventory management. However, occasionally stockouts occur during peak hours, and supplier delivery delays were also reported. Customer service. Customer service results indicate that staff friendliness is rated excellent, while service speed and product availability are rated good. Delays were often linked to ingredient shortage. Relationships of variables. The correlational analysis revealed a significant positive relationship. This means that as supply chain efficiency improves, customer service performance also improves. Challenges and identify. The major challenges identified include supplier delays, limited storage capacity, sudden demand fluctuations, and the need for better inventory forecasting.
So this is the summary of our topic. The study assessed by supply chain efficiency and customer service at Altitude Coffee Space, concluding that both are relatively solid that might be improved. There is a significant relationship between the two elements. The study found out that the supply chain efficiency and customer service at Altitude Coffee Space are generally strong, with room for operational improvement.
Conclusion. The study concludes that an efficient supply chain significantly enhances customer service, accurate inventory management, and reliability suppliers lead to faster service and higher customer satisfaction.
So the last one, of course, the recommendation. The number one is adopt digital inventory tracking to reduce stockouts. Number two is to develop stronger suppliers agreements for consistent delivery. Increase the buffer stock of high demand item. Number four is implement demand forecasting tools to prepare for peak hours. Last one is provide staff training on operational coordination and customer handling.
Here are the list of our references.
Thank you for listening and watching for our topic. Again, I'm Julie Ann Bilan and my partner is Rachel Pagaduan.